in this video lecture, we're going to look at do-while loop in C programming language. So far we've looked at a while loop and we have looked at for loop. So another type of loop system in C programming that you're going to look at is called do-while loop. So do-while loop is just exactly and similar to while loop and for loop. Okay? Just these are different formats, so you don't need you to freak out because we're going to work our example. Let's go ahead and start by initializing a variable of x equal to 5, just like we usually do, so that you can be able to see that they are all the same. So x equal to 5, and you want to create this loop system, you go ahead and say do, and by calling do, you go ahead and print out this. So print, say this is the value of x, and now it's percentage d, and let us move to the next line, and go ahead and put a comma, and put a value of x right there, and put a semicolon at the end. So, let's go ahead and say that x increment. Okay, I'm going to show you the next format of how to use this x increment, and why do we call this a do-while loop? So, we have to give a condition that this moves from 5 to 30. Okay? So come right here at this point where you close the brace and put y, give a condition, y, x is less than or equal to 30, and put a semicolon at the end, and go ahead and run this code and check it out. So, you see that? 5 to 30. Just exactly the same thing with while loop and for loop system. So, I believe you've seen the syntax of how this works. And you see how for loop works, and you see how while loop works. So, this is a do-while loop, and you see how do-while loop also work. So, a rough format on how to do this is, if you don't want to use x increment, you can always use, let's say x equal to x plus 1. Okay, you can do this in both for loop and while loop. Okay, go ahead and roll this and check it out. It's got to be descending. You see that? Just exactly descend. So if you want to do a for loop system, you can also use this. Okay, so you can use x equal to x plus 1, and that is going to work out fine. So this is all about a do-while loop system in C programming language. Go ahead and put this down on your own system and practice with it. Try out some other things you can do with this. And if you have any challenge, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.